So before we connect online, obviously we've got to consider the cameras that we're going to be using. And as you're aware, most laptops have a built-in camera. However, I would fully recommend having a portable webcam. We could technically have the camera connected to the laptop, but then you'd have to tilt it backwards and forwards. So why not consider either buying a decent webcam that we can balance on the table, which would allow us to tilt it onto what we're doing, or even better, have it connected to a little tripod. Right, we're going to screw that in there, pretty easy to do, like so, and we're going to position that on the table. We can close that down. Obviously we need to make sure we connect this into our laptop. Now I'll be able to see what you're doing as much you being able to see what I'm doing, and obviously it will allow you to share with me your creativity, and I'll be able to give you support and advice as we enjoy our piping together.